Okay, hi everybody. This is the Math 20-1 Trigonometry review. This is question 33C. Okay, we're supposed to figure out basically everything that's missing about this triangle here, if there's just one triangle. Now, this has been cleared up, but you're not going to see it right now. This is angle A is supposed to be 51, and then C is 3.9, and B is 4.9. So what the triangle is looking like here, this is angle A. Let's say this is B and this is C. We know that this is 51 degrees, and then this is 3.9, and this is 4.9. Now, right off the bat here, we can see that this pattern of values indicates that this is a cosine law question because I don't have the side opposite the 51 degrees. So the very first thing I'm going to solve for here will be A, okay, and A squared will be equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine of A. And in this case here, then A will be the square root of 4.9 squared plus 3.9 squared minus 2 times 4.9 times 3.9. Ooh, running right off the edge here. Times the cosine of 51. Okay, so we'll just enter this into our calculator here. This can be done in one step here. So 4.9 squared plus 3.9 squared minus 2 times 4.9 times 3.9 times the cosine of 51. And to one decimal place, I'm going to get that that's 3.9. Now, once I've got that, I've got enough information here to figure out what B and C are. Okay. Now, I could do this a couple of different ways. I could use the sine law, or I could use the cosine law, because now I've got three sides here. So let's use the sine law. Okay, let's use the sine law. So I've got 3.9 over the sine of 50. Oops, I don't know why I wanted to write that. So funny. The sine of 51 will equal, well, let's say 3.9 over the sine of C. Now, that should make it abundantly clear that what's C got to be? Well, if these are both 3.9, then C has got to be equal to, and I can do this without even solving this, C has got to be equal to 51 degrees. Now, this, based on previous work here, that should right away spark an idea here that if that is in fact 51, the other possible angle that could be is 129 degrees. But if that's true, okay, if that's true, then 180 minus 51 for angle A minus the 129, that would leave us with 0 degrees for the third angle, and that just doesn't make any sense. So 129 degrees doesn't work. There is only one solution here. If you try to solve for the angles given that other value there, you simply run into a problem here. So angle C has got to be 51. So this is an isosceles triangle. And now to get B, okay, angle B is simply going to be 180 degrees minus the two given ones. So 180 minus 51, and we get 78 degrees. And so those are the bits of information that we're missing.